fall and time drips by. Eyes half closed, world face to gray. Thoughts dissolve and float away. Soft rain sings a lullaby. Cool wind hums as clouds go by. No need for words, no need to move. Just breathe the peace I found in you. Each drop taps a gentle rhyme. Heartbeat slow, keeping time. Dreams blend soft with morning mist. Moments like this are hard to miss. Maybe I'll stay right here tonight. Let the stars hide behind the light. The earth's my bed, the rain's my song. In this calm I still belong. Close my eyes, let worries fade.